Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. For today's vlog, we are gonna rate my stops or things from 1 to 10. Now let's get started. So this is the first one. This is my colorful hair styles. I'm gonna rate it 10 over 10, and this is the second one. This is too dirty now. Yeah. I'm gonna rate this 5. Now this is the next one. Oh my god. It looks like an ice cream, guys. No, don't eat it, or your teeth will broke. This is a clip, and I'm gonna rate it 10 out of 10. Rate it, guys. Yeah, sorry, I messed up. And this is super cute. I hope you guys, this is the perfect score. My god, this is a Chinese. Oh my god, it's a capybara. He's studying and he's graduating now. Rate it, please. It's so cute. I wanna see capybara in real life, bro. Yeah. This is the epic or legendary. It has a frame, yeah. I cannot break it. Who is this person? It's me, guys. Me. I just joined the Santa Cruzan on Barangay Landing, Limay, Bataan. So I live in Philippines and I'm Filipina. I just speak English, so Chinese and Japanese and American can understand me. So this is me. This is my gown. If you are American, Chinese, or Japanese, and you are in Philippines and you like Philippines, please subscribe to my channel. And if you have a farm in the Philippines, yeah, this is me, guys. Look how cute is me. I'm gonna rate this infinity over 10 because it's me and it looks so gorgeous. Please, guys, rate it. I don't wanna be messed up with this. If you rate me 0, I'm not gonna follow you back. So guys, this is the end of my vlog or video. Please subscribe to my channel and do all. And comment what should I do next in my vlog. So bye. See you in my next vlog. Brrr.